Hello, so today we're going to be looking at identifying effective language devices in a text called Room. So this is our question: how does the writer use language to describe? That always stays the same: the narrator's feelings towards animals. And we're going to be looking at words and phrases and language features and techniques rolled into one paragraph with some in-depth analysis. So let's have a look at our context, which is always really important to read. So this extract is taken from a book called Room by Emma Donoghue, written in 2010. So a nice recent text. The novel follows the story of the narrator Jack, a 5-year-old boy, and his mother, who are being kept captive in a room. So let's have a little look at our extract. I don't tell Ma about Spider. She brushes webs away. She says they're dirty, but they look like extra thin silver to me. Ma likes the animals that run around eating each other on the wildlife planet, but not real ones. When I was 4, I was watching ants walking up stove, and she ran and splattered them all so they wouldn't eat our food. One minute they were alive, and the next minute they were dirt. I cried so my eyes nearly melted off. Also another time there was a thing in the night, biting me, and Ma banged him against door wall below shelf. He was a mosquito. The mark is still there on the cork, even though she scrubbed. It was my blood the mosquito was stealing, like a teeny vampire. That's the only time my blood ever came out of me. So I'm choosing the juxtaposition to focus on. So one minute they were alive and the next minute they were dirt. So this is my what a good one looks like for you. So the writer uses a juxtaposition in order to demonstrate how desensitized the young narrator is to the death of insects. So first off, I'm using language features and devices by using juxtaposition, and I'm saying why she's using them. Then I'm embedding my quotation. One minute they were alive and the next minute they were dirt. Then comes my analysis. This shows that although the narrator seems to like insects, he has become used to them not being a permanent residence in his accommodation. So I'm now starting to talk about his feelings. The metaphor, they were dirt, also suggests that once the insects are dead, they become nothing to him. Also picking out a smaller piece of information, another quotation, and I'm labelling it. This might tell the reader, so I'm now giving a personal response, that the narrator is likely to move on to the next fascinating insect, as he is able to understand that nothing can last forever. So that is my what a good one looks like for you today. Thank you very much and see you soon.